We're going down the mountain here at Chattanooga Lookout Mountain. There's some beautiful homes.
Motif there.
It is.
Love that.
Chinese style. Going down the mountain. Beautiful one up there. I think y'all missed it.
Love this place.
It's gorgeous.
There's a three-story there. That's on the historical. Summertown.
Summertown.
Can you see that from?
Summertown, the first community on Lookout Mountain, was in this general area.
Maybe you can stop your movie and watch it. These are busy roads and streets through here. You can't slow down very much. Beautiful houses. There's another marker. Let me see what I'll try to pull off what we can
The
see.
University of the South was founded here on July the 4th, 1857. Okay.
Look at the grass up there. I think
That place over there is beautiful.
I always loved it. Look at the yard.
The gardens.
Oh, look at the big one over there.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
A little bit hairy getting out on these curves. Now, this is Highway 148. Going down the mountain.
Down the mountain, y'all.
And we'll go beside Ruby Falls. It'll be on the left side. On down here a few hundred yards. I think I see it. Very interesting.
Look at this road. Got to go around these curves. Woo!
Dangerous driver in here. That's me, guys.
Look at the zigzag sign, road sign.
Road sign. Uh-oh, somebody hit that one.
Ooh, they did hit it.
How far is this going to take us down
All the way to the bottom.
All the way down to the bottom. Close your eyes.
there? How are we going back to where we came from?
On the road.
We'll have to find a way back.
It's a beautiful day today. It's cool on the mountain up here.
There's a house up there on that hill. Oh, there's houses down there.
Okay. We are in Chattanooga. Winter or something. Beautiful. I'd like to live here.
Yeah, Chattanooga's always been a beautiful city.
Very historical.
We've always come over here and taken day trips.
I believe this place used to be big for honeymooners way back. All right. I think I see
She'll get us some peanuts and Coke.
peanuts and Coke, peach
Down
Coke.
here, down.
Here's the incline where you catch the incline going up the mountain.
That's a car that goes straight up the mountain.
It's been around forever, I think.
They're open. Let's
We've
go get
ridden
us some
that
peanuts
before.
and Coke.
Randy wanted to go in there and get some peanuts and Coke. Ooh, hold on, folks.
Hold on, peoples. I don't want to make y'all wreck.
That was a quick turn.
An instant decision.
Come on.
See the incline here. All right, boys and girls. I'm having to hang out over the road and take your picture here. Straight up the mountain. Check that out. Goes way to the top of the mountain up there. See, it runs with a rail. It's got a cable that actually pulls it up the mountains. And the cars are made like steps. I gotta get off this road, guys, before I get killed. Now this is going back downhill. Yeah, you might be able to see the car down there. Just at the bottom down there where those buildings are. That's where the lower train,
Incline.
yeah, the little office is. You catch it down there and then you go all the way. Hold on here, guys. Bear with me. Oh, we got one coming, Glenda.
Oh, we do. We got one coming, y'all.
Might take it a minute to get down here. Oh, what you got? She's coming on down. It took it about a minute to get that far. I just want to make sure I have plenty of battery. I know how y'all are. I run out of battery, then you're going to be mad at me. Can't handle that. I told Glenda, I said, Glenda, I got to save some battery for my viewers. They want to see this thing. It's very interesting, guys. It's been running my whole life. I think this thing here started in the 20s, didn't it, Glenda?
I really don't know, but it's been around.
It's been around a long time. Like I said, this is a very historical area. Chattanooga is known for its trains. I don't know where the... There's probably other inclines around. Busy little road here. This is the main drive up and down this side of the mountain for the local traffic. Watch out for that truck. I gotta zoom in a little bit, maybe you can see it. Here she comes. On up there, guys. Maybe I'll learn to operate this camera one of these days. Y'all wave. See them waving? Wave. There's the little kitties. They're having a great time today. Look at them. Wave. There you go. All right, we're going to see them going down the other side now. Right, they're going right under us. They're going under us. Oh, there they go. Look. See them down there? Boy. Yeah. And what you'll see is you'll see them meet. They'll meet right there in those curves. Them curved tracks. You got one going up, you got one coming down. And they counterbalance one another. That's what that's all about. So therefore you don't have much pressure on the cable. I remember my machine shop actually did some parts for this incline one time. This thing's been running since, I said about the 20s. They've reworked it, but not very much. It doesn't wear out very much. Look at it, look at it. There they go, they're gonna meet. Yeah. She's trying to tell me how to operate this camera. You know me, people, I'm too busy looking. I can't hardly look at this camera because I'm actually looking at the people, the subject matter. But I'll try to do you a good job. See them? There they are. Going back on the little line there.
That's amazing how they know where to pass.
Yeah, those things are smart, Glenda.
That's smart.
I tell you what is funny, there's not 4 tracks down there, there's 3 tracks. So they all share that common track in the middle. I don't know why, but that's what they do. You see them? It's got 3 tracks. Maybe we can wave at these little children in here. No, we can't see them. But if you can look inside that car, let me try to get over here and show you. It's made like steps down in there. Like sitting on steps. Oh, okay, well, then we'll get back around. Hey, Glenda, wave to them.
Hey.
All right, there she goes. Let's wave at these little children. Y'all wave. Them waving. That's a different car, and it's going all the way to the top. Going all the way up. See that cable? It's pulling that car. They say those cars, if something were to happen, those cars have an automatic stop on them. But it's just like riding an elevator. It's got a counterweight on it, and it's got a weight and a counterweight. It's kind of ingenious to me how it works. See those cables jumping? They use a lot of lubrication on those cables. And I know they change those cables ever so often. It's fairly safe, guys. About as safe as staying in the bed, isn't it, Glenda?
I don't know about all that.
You could fall out of your bed, you know. There's a risk to staying in bed even. I hope you didn't fall out of the bed this morning. Now, I do know some people got up on the wrong side this morning. And Kitty got up on the wrong... No, she didn't get up this morning. She gets up on the wrong side periodically. But she didn't get up today. She's still in bed and we're out roaming today. We've been camping all week. Nice week. We had a few showers to start with, but it's cleared up and became a nice week. But we decided to go out exploring today. This is about how many miles from Chattanooga, Glenda, where we camp?
About 43, I think.
43 miles to our campground. And that's probably as a crow flies. We went around a lot of curves going up there. But it's about a 2-hour drive, isn't it, Glenda?
Did you show them those pretty trees?
No, they want to see that pretty incline. Where's the pretty trees at? Oh, yeah, see the pretty trees, guys? They won't see this incline. Watch him at the top, just as he rounds that. He's getting ready to round that little curve up there, little hill, and he'll pull right into the bottom of that building at the top. Let me see if I can zoom in, guys. Right up there at the top. There he is. He made it because I don't hear those cables running. There he is. Here it stopped. Anyway, guys, he's up there. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Glad you came along with us on our trip today. And don't forget, watch us and subscribe us. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Tell your friends about old Mojo and Glenda on our Sweet Home Life. Goodbye, guys. Tell them bye, Glenda.
Bye.